Beware of illegal video cassettes. Check whether this video cassette carries a genuine label hologram. Video piracy is a crime. Do not accept it. Demand a genuine cassette from your video store. Poor quality illegal video cassettes reduce your viewing pleasure and jeopardize future film production. When in doubt, telephone the Federation Against Copyright Theft, FACT, on 0181 568 6646. Or in the case of the Republic of Ireland, 01 6777 071.
You found me! Dr. Chessington, that's it. Want to see my world of adventures? So many lands, you know, and each more fantastic, more amazing than the last. It's simply bursting with fun. The thing is, you see, I can't stand boredom. And I have to keep an eye on everything. And one thing I can see is you need a trip to my world of adventures, yes. Just ask for Chessington and we'll go for a little spin.
Magic has to be believed. That's the only way it's real.
A little girl with a big imagination lived in the faraway forests of India, in a world filled with magic and her father's boundless love.
You can be anything you want to be, my love, as long as you believe.
What do you believe?
That you are, and always will be, my little princess.
When he was sent away...
Goodbye, princess.
Girls, say hello to our new arrival, Miss Sarah Crew.
Hello, Sarah.
Her belief in magic came to life.
Come on, Becky. Just make believe it. Remember the magic?
She would make some very special friends.
Can you really talk to him, Sarah? Say hello to all my friends. There were days I thought I would die until I heard you talk about the magic.
And one very powerful enemy.
I'm afraid jewelry and such finery are not allowed.
Dear Papa, I love you with all of my heart and can't wait for the day when you come back to me.
Everything you own now belongs to me. You're not a princess any longer.
From the author of The Secret Garden comes the classic that has thrilled generations, A Little Princess.
Don't tell me you still fancy yourself a princess.
I am a princess. All girls are. Even if they aren't pretty or smart, they're still princesses.
It is the adventure of a young girl whose courage is as big as her heart.
I'll come back for you. I promise.
A magical motion picture for anyone who has ever made a wish or had a dream. A Little Princess. No miracle is ever too small.
Salutations, Spike. Just hang in there, Boss Monkey Man. The fate of an American Eagle family depends on you. Don't be scared. Ace is in the place. Alrighty then. That's right. I'm a pet detective.
He doesn't even have a gun.
Uh-huh. mess with the jungle.
Watch out! Hey! Oh!
Tortilla chips are totally tastier when you spice them up with new Uncle Ben's salsa dips. The chunkiest tomatoes, crunchiest onions, tangiest peppers, and Uncle Ben's secret spices. There's hot, cool, and spicy cheese. Transform your tortilla chips. Spice them up with new Uncle Ben's salsa dips.
Moron!
Crankier.
If my dog was as ugly as you, I'd shave his ass and teach him to walk backwards.
And grumpier than ever before.
Come on, let's see what you're made of,
Age has not brought them wisdom. Instead, it's brought them something
Holy moly.
far more desirable.
Compliment her on how great she looks.
Already got that covered.
Let me hear it.
There may be lots of fish in the sea, Maria, but you're the only one I would like to mount over my fireplace.
That's not bad.
I haven't been with a man for a long time.
Me neither.
They're not getting older. They're getting luckier. But just when he thought he'd hooked the catch of a lifetime,
I think I liked you better before you were getting any.
she takes over his favorite bait shop.
You should see the sign she put up, honey.
Stop moving.
If Max could see me now, I'd never live it down.
Jack Lemmon, Walter Matthau,
Buonasera, signore.
and Mark, and Sophia Loren.
Buon appetito.
Should we ask her for some garlic bread?
I'd rather kiss a dead moose's butt.
So I'll call you?
Grumpier Old Men.
What do you say we go back to my place? I'll show you my cannelloni.
Well, you gotta stick with what works.
But this is the best of feasts, bar none.
You're dead right, it is bar none. No feast bar, none at all. Here's one luscious ice cream, chocolatey biscuity bits, and even more toffee gooiness. And now it's 10% bigger.
Well, you don't have to take that sort of stick, young man.
You're right, Wall's feast bar, the feast bar none, and no stick.
When you rent or buy a video, you need to know that the film you choose is suitable for the audience at home. To help you understand what the film is like, you can look at the certificate it has been given. This film has been classified PG. This stands for Parental Guidance and means that parents may wish to check the film before showing it to their children. If it's an action film, it might have some limited violence. If it's romantic, it might have some sexy scenes or very brief nudity. It might also contain some milder swear words. Video certificates are there to give you the chance to make the right choice. Thanks for listening.